students, how are you? Hope you are doing good and busy with your school work. And I'm also busy. And in this lockdown period, since the schools are closed, and on coming Monday, I'm having PTM in my school. And before that, I have to prepare the result sheet of my students. So here you see there are two columns which are vacant, and I have to get them filled by the teachers, but teachers are not in my surroundings or nearby, and I can't go to these places or their places. So 21st century skills like 4C's: communication, creativity, critical thinking, and to this C, I'm going to provide these columns to the different teachers, like Maths column and CS column to these teachers, so that they can fill their columns. And whichever column is assigned to the teacher, only that teacher can fill it. No other teacher can fill the assigned column which is assigned to other teacher. So how to do it? For that, I am going to use protect range and sheets. So let's get started. So select data, and from data menu, I'll select protect sheets and ranges. So here I'm going to describe the maths, and here I'll select T2 to T41, means this column from this row to 41st row. So this range is selected, and after selecting this range, I'll have to set the permission for the teachers. Set permissions, and since there are many teachers and I have to take custom, here these two teachers are the owners of this sheet, and that is why they are static, and I have to assign this column to this teacher like this, and click done. And this way I have assigned a maths column to a particular teacher. In a similar way, I can assign CS column to another teacher. So again, go to data and select protect sheets and ranges, and here description as CS, and the column is range. I have to select range from this to H41, and click OK, and now set permission, and this time I'm going to assign this column to this teacher. Click the teacher name and click done. So this way I have assigned two columns to two different teachers, and in addition I'll have to share this sheet with these teachers also. Share. So teachers are this one and this one. So I have assigned columns to these two teachers, and share the sheets also, and share this sheet also to these teachers. Now they can fill. Okay, this way we can protect the column of the sheet and assign the particular column to the particular teacher, so that the teacher can fill the subject marks. So how is this? I think this is good enough, and the example of collaboration. Hope you like it, and if you have any suggestion, kindly convey. Till then, goodbye.